Hi guys, today I'm making chicken mayonnaise sandwich. I'm using half of a medium-sized chicken. I'm using the breast meat side. Fill up the water until it cover up the chicken and add in some salt. This medium-sized chicken is just nice for 4 people. Boil it for about 10 to 12 minutes. After a couple of minutes, give it a turn so that it can cook on the other side as well. Once you are done, you can off the fire and cover the lid. Leave it about 5 minutes and then you can remove it, put it into a container and fill up with some cold running water so that it may stop the process of cooking, and leave it cool down for another 5 minutes. And the ingredient I'm using is just mayonnaise, salt and crushed black pepper. So now you can cut the chicken, remove all the bones. So I'm gonna cut it into small chunk size, or you can shred the chicken, or whichever way you prefer. So now you can add in the mayonnaise. I'm adding in 2 spoons first, and then I'm gonna add in some crushed black pepper and just a little bit of salt, and give it a good mix. And if you find that you know enough any other ingredient, you can just add on. But do not put too much of mayonnaise because we don't want the chicken mayonnaise to be too runny. And give it a taste. And once you are done, you can just cover up the lid and keep it in the fridge. And when you want to consume it, then you give it a mix. Two spoonfuls will be just nice for each portion. If you like to spread some butter on the bread, it's up to you. For me, I prefer just to eat it just like that. And this go well with cheese as well. You can use any kind of bread. You can use a brown bread, a white bread, or even a croissant. It's up to you. Or even you want to toast it. For this, I'm gonna toast 3 of the bread and 1 is untoast. If you're toasting it on a pan, make sure to turn it every 5 seconds so that you will get an even toast on each side. And put it on the lowest heat. And once you have turned the 4 corners, flip it over and repeat the same process. hope you can try this at home. This will be very filling. You can have this for lunch, breakfast or dinner.